Statistics show that about 70% of Americans will require some level of long-term care, either nursing home care, assisted living care, or home care. Costs for care can run from $20 an hour for home care to $12,000 a month or more for nursing home care. When a single person applies for Medicaid to pay for their care, their home usually must be sold and the proceeds used to pay for care. So, is it possible to protect the home and still qualify for Medicaid? The answer is yes. The plan would be to transfer the home at least 5 years prior to applying for Medicaid. In this case, the transfer would be beyond the 5-year look-back period, and the house would be protected from long-term care costs. Frequently, people want to transfer their home to their children and then wait the 5 years to have the home protected. But this is not the best idea. For example, if a home is transferred to a child, the home could be lost if the child has creditors or gets divorced, or if the child is on some type of government benefits whereby the transfer would cause the child to lose those benefits. There are also tax benefits that could be lost if a home is transferred to the children. For example, the parent would be entitled to a $250,000 exemption if the house was sold, as long as it was their home for 2 of the last 5 years. This benefit does not carry over to the child. There's also a step up in tax basis on the parent's death that would be lost on a transfer to a child, as well as other benefits such as homestead tax rebate, senior citizens deduction, and a property tax freeze. So what's the solution? Transferring the ownership of the home by deed to a properly drafted trust, not to the children, will avoid these risk factors and preserve the beneficial tax rules and other benefits. Note that the trust must include certain provisions to ensure it works the right way for you. Don't try to do this yourself. You will need a qualified professional.